don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup, Tax 0, Sikukune 1. I'm joined by Mr. LV.
Yeah, still in Namo.
Boy, get about into the Kapuri. Get about into the Kapuri. Oh, when I was a more, enjoy your game. Enjoy your game. Keep replaying, true.
Matax. Ulaga Fandar, Baba Pete, one char, because Moliking about so. Fandar never liga mission, one char. Recreating my 3 chances. Yeah. Clear goals. Yes. Papa leads.
Machita wako.
And defensively today, Nelly Sharp.
Yeah.
Defender tax number 6 CB and Fandag man of the match agadi manu. Defend deal.
Yeah. He's a quality.
Yeah, Mara. Ukaba Sharp.
Yeah.
Go tla
loka njaka. Mara tla loka jwang se le tswile no.
Wa tswa ke re go tla loka. Hape na supplier re senjobele team tse 2 wa bona. Team ya mo Gauteng ya go Limpopo ke tswa Limpopo nna ke nna ngwana mobu le Sekhukhune etswa kae
etswa Limpopo so tsamaya le Limpopo
so ke win
ke a tshwara
ba taxi jewele mara Sekhukhune se win no ntshwa
so mna
ke monate no ke vile Sekhukhune
so vile Sekhukhune
ne vile sona
mo ko Betway maro tsamaya le vele jake
ko Betway Sekhukhune
o le Sekhukhune le teng ko Betway o a fera o batla bua ka Pirates Chiefs o Sundowns
ke no bolela ka Pirates because ke bone match wa bona mabala
di ntshang jake
go Pirates ga nyiwa wa bona
e go nyiwa
ke nana re player a ja patela re je go starting lineup
Rodman
ka o botsa
those are some serious accusations
what is a man ke nana re player a ja go tshwana le Mariko le Budiong Namtanjela ba patela coach or ba tsena then bo magopa bo mbule because ke Rodman ba butse coach ra nna nga so patela re ke dlala ke le monate
ke a tshwara
wa ntshwara so no coach le go pankeng a ba be madimane a ba be pankeng
se ba dula di shooting
ba dula da ke go stadium ke na le ena mo la ke chebile game ke tlile go stadium go lebala le magopa le bombule wa ntshwara
ba ja di stage
no ba jiwele wa no
ke misi ball
no ga nyiwa
ke flop
wa ntshwara that's why ke re o ifulwa na o nyoko jima no latlha o go tsena no ga nyiwa oh bon
man of the match ka mama ranja
CB number 6 tax
jersey number 6 what tax
o
tlile tabe ya Nedbank njaka
ya import
also you
next
Nedbank ere a ona na CB ya maybe next game aka chaisa goal ka tlho mara CB ya ka tax or any players Sekhukhune njaka e ka ba yena the Rock jersey number 25 a ona na go tlokora next game cause ke number 25 inka personal loan ya 2,000 or 25,000 or 20,000 and then le tlapa ka kora ke house o ka buy LV Anjola no Phoenix free money
I send you funeral time yo ke bagini
wanjola
ape mujelo wa bona mujelo Fandaga ra mmona because Sekhukhune za mo dlala go bola go dime wa mona yena ke shoot o dlala mo fast mara na next game ba tla bia mo fast o tla kora
and ke number man
10
ke number 10 so chela time afela anke 10,000 njaka
ngatswara ivi
and then man vela kora vela e romele go
we nne tla funa
ka time ntse bana ba bo mo go campusing
ishaba
ube mnati wanjola so zona ke bona wa ba qeta ba para LV skela
kilo tsa teng we bona 1854 23
damn 23,000 shit so ke ka e bona 23 wena wa ya pa
thank you
mama yeah sure
sharp